G.
Beautiful. Okay, you've taken out one chit. Now open it. Open the chit. Open the chit. Yes. What is this? Show me.
Up. Up.
Up. And what is the beginning sound?
Up.
Yes, yes.
Mop.
Very good. Mop. Mop. No, mop.
Mop.
You have taken out one more chit. Okay. Okay, now read it. Try to read it. Yes.
Ot.
Ot. And what is the first sound?
K. Ot. Pot.
Is it p? It is k. O. T.
Coach.
Very good. Don't miss the first sound. Okay. Now you can. I will have this. Or you want to keep it with you? Keep it with you.
Yes, sir.
दबा के नहीं करो बेटा, वो खराब हो जाएगा पेन आपका. Yes, trace it. Okay, now read the word. Can you read the word?
B. 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 Burn.
Good. Okay, read it now. What is it?
K. B. K. B. Cub.
What are you holding, Prashi?
Lion.
Lion. Okay. Lion is on a hunt. Lion is going to hunt. Okay. The lion will only eat things. It will only hunt for the things which have l sound in it. Which sound?
T.
Let's go. Lion is coming. And what did he find?
Grapes.
Grapes. Does grapes has l sound in it?
No.
No? Okay. The lion will not eat the grapes. It will not hunt it. Okay. What next? What is it? What is this?
Fly.
Flower.
E.
Okay.
Fly.
Flower. Wait, Rashi. Is it flower or the sound is coming in between? It is flower. What is the beginning sound? Yes. And where is sound coming? It is coming in middle. Okay. Flower. Okay. Now what next?
Yum, yum.
Okay. What next? आ रहा है. क्या मिला lion को?
Clutcher.
Clutcher. Does it has sound in it? Yes. Okay. The lion will hunt the clutcher. Hunt for it. Okay.
Yum.
Now, what else? What else is there?
Comb.
Comb. Does comb has sound in it?
No.
No. Okay, the lion will spare it. छोड़ दिया उसको, बच गया comb. Next, what's there? Oh, an elephant. Elephant.
No.
Say loudly. Elephant.
Elephant.
Does it has sound?
Yes.
Where is it? In the middle, in the beginning, or in the end? Elephant. Elephant.
Yes.
And sound is in the
Middle.
Very good. Oh, the lion ate the elephant. Okay. Next, match the pictures that begin with sound. Yes. What is this? This is a flask.
Flask. Yes.
Okay, match it.
Sing.
Okay, next. This is, what is it? Yarn.
Yarn.
Does it has sound?
No.
Okay, good.
Cancel.
Cancel. Okay, you can cancel it. Next, do it fast.
Flag.
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 What's this?
Ball.
Football.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, and this one is left.
Fan.
Your frog is jumping. You also have a frog?
Yes.
Let's do a frog race.
Okay.
What is it? 4. Okay. 4. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? Yes, circle the beginning sound. Okay, circle it. Nice. Next, what is this? This is a
Boot.
booth. And what is booth called in English? It's a ghost. Good. What's this? Key? What is it?
Lock.
Lock. What is the beginning sound?
Lock.
Good.
Three.
Very good.
1,
2, 3.
4, 5.
Okay, now can you read the word?
Sorry.
My turn. 6.
Mommy.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Oh, go back to 30. 30.
Coach.
Cut. Okay, thank you for helping me, Kashi. Chalo, Shreya. 3.
1, 2, 3.
Which word, Shreya?
Pig.
Very good.
Pig. Donkey. Pig.
Pig donkey. Okay, Kashi, your turn. 1. Yes, 1. Only 1 you got. यहीं पे रखो बेटा. एक ही आया ना आपका. चलो, read the word. Read the word. Yes, yes, you have to read it.
Hug.
Very good. My turn. Move. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
जाने वाली.
Or t. Or t.
Hot.
Dot. Hot. Oh, it's d. Or. What's the sound? Yes, read it. Yes. Read it again.
Must.
Very good. Must.
Rock.
Very good.